The threat called F-Locker, short for Frantic Locker, has been on the scene for a full year already, and its creators are trying hard to keep it alive. Usually F-Locker is delivered to users via spam SMS or malicious links. After infecting a device, the threat waits 30 minutes before running and then it contacts its CNC. The CNC delivers a new APK file under ransom note, an HTML file with a JavaScript JS interface enabled, which initiates the APK installation, takes photos of the affected user and then displays the photos taken in the ransom page. The security experts claim that F-Locker avoids targeting users located in Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Bulgaria, Georgia, Hungary, Ukraine, Russia, Armenia and Belarus. RAA is not the first JS-based ransomware threat. However, it's the first one that relies 100% on JavaScript to infect machines. The MZSoft security expert Fabian Wasser discovered Ransom32 in January this year. This was the first ransomware family written in JavaScript, though Ransom32 was only coded in Node.js, and hackers continue to distribute it as an executable. At the same time, RRA is delivered as a .js file. Cybercriminals attach this file to a spam email, making it look like an Office document file. This way, most users might download and actually execute the file. Usually the file runs via Windows script host, which executes its command system-wide, giving the malicious script access to system utilities. The malicious JavaScript code which this file contains is obfuscated to deter security experts from reverse engineering its source. Sophos security experts have recently discovered Voltrak version 2 in a series of attacks targeting banks in countries where the Trojan was not active before. According to Symantec, Voltrak, which is also known as Nifila or NeverQuest, is considered as one of the most popular banking Trojans nowadays. Voltrak is offered as a rentable service in the dark web, in the form of a malware as a service offering, and lots of criminal gangs rent the Trojan to distribute it via methods of their own. Last week, Sophos Labs released a report which revealed a new campaign using spam emails claiming to be shipping deliveries. These emails contained Word documents which ask the user to enable macros. Being activated, the Words macro feature would trigger a set of automatic scripts which download and install the Pony Info Stealer malware. Hackers use this malware for local observation, and if they find data of value which could be stolen, they would deliver Voltrak version 2 at once. According to security researchers, when compared to version 1, Voltrak version 2 added support for new targets. The developers of Carburp and Zeus malware have combined their codes to create a brand new threat which is currently targeting the Russian bank's customers. Security researchers from CERT Poland noticed the new Trojan first in May, when they investigated a phishing campaign originating from their country, noticing a slight resemblance between Bolek and the K-bot module of Carburp. A couple of days later, security experts from PhishMe expanded CERT Poland's findings with a comprehensive report on Bolek's mode of operation, also pointing out the visible similarities between Bolek and Carburp. According to Dr. Webb, this Trojan is fully equipped for the banking ecosystem nowadays. Bolek is able to steal login credentials from online banking applications by injecting itself into web browser's process, can take screenshots of the user's screen, can intercept web traffic, can lock keystrokes, or create a local proxy server in order to transfer files out of the infected machine. Bolek targets Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Opera and Mozilla Firefox browsers, and comes with an embedded version of the Mimikatz, a known password dumping application. The part which Bolek borrowed from Carburp includes a custom virtual file system used by the Trojan for storing various files needed for its operation, in order to hide them from security software. As always, these were this week's computer security news from Virus Guides. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for next week's news.